Nothing worse than driving from your job to a place to get a carbide bit and it's out of stock. Very annoying. Hey, I'm Randy, General Manager at the Tool Ranch, and I'd like to give you a little tour of our store to show you what we got. As you walk in the door, and I'm going to give you a little tour, but you're going to see our very extensive Milwaukee display. We've been carrying Milwaukee for about 5 years. We are an authorized warranty center for the brand, as well as any brand you see in here. We insist on repairing them. So we try and stock everything new. We're always adding new tools. We carry all carbide over here. Nothing worse than driving from your job to a place to get a carbide bit and it's out of stock. Very annoying. And then a few years ago, we built this, I call it a pack out room. I noticed customers were trying to mess around with the pack out systems, build their own, try and tailor it for them, and they're in the middle of the store. So we decided to put up a room where they'd have sort of a private place to feel comfortable, to take their time and mess around with it. We have all the accessories for pack out. Again, you want to have it all, or don't bother having any, is my view. We do stock a fair selection of the stiletto hammers by Milwaukee. We got our safety gear, glasses, high-vis bomber jackets up here in Buffalo, 37 degrees below zero 2 weeks ago. So, when it comes to pneumatic nailers and cordless nailers, Hitachi, Metabo is the way to go. And they can be rebuilt forever. Basically. Lastly, in the store is our Occidental leather display. And it's not unusual for guys to have this product for over 20 years. It comes to their office once it's broke in. And if it's not here, simple, we'll order it in for you. Yeah, just turn your back on the camera. Here's Gabe.
Hi, I'm Gabe. I'm the service manager for the Tool Ranch. Introduce you to the shop. We service most major brands of tools: DeWalt, Makita, Milwaukee, Metabo, roll air compressors, Mighty M generators, and other equipment. We stock about 100,000 different parts.
We do our best to make sure we have everything in stock. So anything used for construction, more than likely we have it here. So hey, thanks for hanging out for a few minutes. Again, I'm Randy at the Tool Ranch, and need anything, give us a call. You could cut right through an exhaust in 8 seconds with this mother.